How are you? I hope that you will be fine and happy. Today we will read this chapter 14, the future tense. Okay, so let's start now this chapter case. चलिए करते हैं discuss definition. So, the future tense is used to express an action that is likely to happen in future. Okay, चलिए simple future tense discuss करते हैं. We use this tense to express an action that will take place in future. Okay. Example है I shall be 6 years old next year. Next year I will spend my holiday with grandmother. There used to be a restriction that shall was to be used with first person subject and will with other subject in modern English. However, will is used for all. Very often, will is used to express a strong intention to do something than used in the first person, singular and plural. चलिए इन नेगेटिव सेंटेंस की बात करते हैं सिंपल फ्यूचर में. We use the word not between the auxiliary verbs and the main verbs. Will not is often abbreviated as want. Example है Sharda will not attend the meeting. Next time they won't reach on time. After to form the interrogative, we bring the helping verb will to be bringing of the sentence. The subject comes between will and be and the question mark is added to the end of the sentences. Example है Pooja will wait at the bus stop. Will Pooja wait at the bus stop? ये हो गया हमारा interrogative. और won't Pooja wait at the stop ये होगा हमारा negative. Okay? चलिए use of going to. Going to is used to suggest a person's intentions to do something in future. Example है he is handwriting. I am sure he is going to do well in his career. Intention है future को. Next there were heavy snowfall on hills. Now it is going to be chilly hill here also. ये dedications है from about further को. चले from to going to is mr plus going to plus root verb होता root form of the verb. Example है father is going to buy another television at today. Next it is going to be sunny today. Okay. चलिए आगे है किड्स future continuous tense. We use this tense to talk of an action that will be in progress at a point of time in the future. The structure of the future continuous tense is subject plus will be या shall be plus verb की plus form के साथ ing. So example है the Sharmas will be staying with us during the holiday. Next the ship will be sailing to Singapore soon. For negative sentence की बात करते हैं, we use the word not between the auxiliary verbs and the main verbs, which not is often abbreviated as want. Example है they will not be taking the morning train. To form the interrogative, we bring the helping verb will to be the beginning of a sentences. The noun or the pronoun comes between will and be, and the question mark is added to the end of the sentences. Example है will you be staying with me? चलिए आगे पढ़ते हैं हम फ्यूचर परफेक्ट कंटिन्यूअस फ्यूचर परफेक्ट टेंस. We use this tense to talk about an action that will be completed at the certain time in future. When two actions are going to occur in the future, we use the future perfect tense to indicate which action will occur first. The structure of the future perfect tense is rules है subject plus will have plus I have plus verb की third form और object का. Example I will have reached Delhi by noon tomorrow. Negative and interrogative sentence means future perfect tense are made in much and the same way as for the other future tense forms. Example है, will I have completed 10 years in Hoshiarpur by April last year or last week? Question mark. Okay. चलिए केस अब आगे पढ़ते हैं हम फ्यूचर परफेक्ट continuous tense. This tense is used to denote a continuous action with reference to some time in future. It expresses an action that will begins at a particular time in future, will continues up that moment and will be progress at that moment. चलिए द स्ट्रक्चर ऑफ दिस टेंसेस का है सब्जेक्ट प्लस विल या शैल प्लस हैव बीन प्लस बल्कि फर्स्ट फॉर्म के साथ आईएनजी और ऑब्जेक्ट. ओके चलिए एग्जांपल है श्रुति विल हैव बीन वर्किंग हायर फॉर 5 years नेक्स्ट वीक. एक से टू फॉर्म द नेगेटिव की बात करते हैं तो नेगेटिव में विल शैल के तहत नोट का यूज किया जाता है. नेक्स्ट है इंटरोगेटिव जो हमारी हेल्पिंग वर्ब होती है विल या शैल उसे बाहर किया जाता है प्लस सब्जेक्ट प्लस have been प्लस वर्ग की फर्स्ट फॉर्म में होता है एनजी और प्लस ऑब्जेक्ट. ओके एग्जांपल है करण विल नॉट हैव बीन वर्किंग हियर फॉर 2 years नेक्स्ट वीक. ये हो गया नेगेटिव फॉर्म. विल करण हैव बीन वर्किंग हियर फॉर 2 years नेक्स्ट वीक और लास्ट में क्वेश्चन मार्क ये हो गया हमारा इंटरोगेटिव. ओके now kids this chapter will be completed. I hope that you understood well. Thank you. Have a nice day.